Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and safe at your homes. Welcome back in your maths class, class 5th, subject mathematics, chapter 1. Name of the chapter is measurement. And this is our lecture number 6. Today's subtopics are multiplication, and division, of metric system, and this we will do sums related to multiplication and division. Along with this we will do statement sums also. So we will do exercise 1E. Question 1. A and B parts. Question number 2. A and B parts. Question number 4 and worksheet question number 1. Worksheet question number 1 is simple, so we will do question 2. So we will do worksheet question number 2 also. So these are the subtopics. So let's start our first topic, multiplication sums in exercise 1E. I hope you are revising the previous work also. You are doing practice of that. It is very important. So question 1 is multiply. Two decagram, 3 gram, 5 decigram and 4 centigram by 6. Okay, we have to multiply this. See, multiplication is simple as we always do. Okay, only in metric system we will write down the units first at the top. So write down the unit first, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram. Now write down this 2 decagram, 3 gram, 5 decigram, 4 centigram. Multiply by 6. Right? 6 4s are 24. 4, 2 will be here. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 2, 32. 2. If you are not writing at the top this carry, that is also okay. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 3, 21. 1, 2 carry. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. In class 5th, it is not necessary to write down the carries. If you are not writing, you are keeping this in the mind or you are writing here. Sometimes students write like this 2. Then that they will cut down, write down the next carry 3. And they will cut the next and write down the next carry 2. That is also okay. And at last you will write your answer. It will become 14 decagram, 1 gram, 2 decigram and 4 centigram. So in this way you have to do simple multiplication. Only units you will write down at the top and with the answer. Now next is question number 1, B part. 6 kilometer, 4 hectometer, 3 decameter and 5 meter by 4. So first of all we will write down units. Kilometer, hectometer, decameter and meter. Now write down the digits. 6, 4, 3, 5 meter. Multiply by 4. 4 5s are 20. 0. 2 will be carry. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 4, 1 carry. 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 17. 7, 1 carry. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. 25 will be written below kilometer. So our answer will become 25 kilometer, 7 hectometer, 4 decameter and meter is 0. No need to write down. In this way you can do all the parts of multiplication. Now we will start question number 2. Divide. A part. 3 gram, 6 centigram. Next is 6 decigram, 5 centigram and 4 milligram by 3. Okay. Again in the solution, write down the units first. Put division sign. It will be a little big because we have different units. Write the units at the top. Gram, decigram, centigram and then milligram. C is also small. Now gram 3, decigram 6, centigram 5 and milligram 4. Divide by 3. Now write down 3 ones are 3 right here only, so that you can come to know that below which unit we are solving. 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Now consider the next digit. 3 twos are 6. 2 decigram. 6 minus 6, if we are putting 0 it's okay. If no, that is also okay. Now consider the next digit. 5. 3 ones are 3. 5 minus 3, 2. Now 5 minus 3, 2. Take the next digit, 4. Okay. Then 3 8s are 24. Okay. Now division is complete. What will be our answer? Check from here. 1 gram, 2 decigram, 1 centigram, 8 milligram. So you will write down the answer at last. 1 gram, 2 decigram, 1 centigram and 8 milligram. It is our answer. Now question number 2, B part. It is also of division. 1 kiloliter, 3 hectoliter, 5 decaliter and 5 liter by 5. Division is a. So put division sign Write down the units: kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter and liter. Division by 5. 1, 3 hectoliter, 5 decaliter, 5 liter. Now look here. 5, here it is 1. 5 zeros are 0 because it is less than 5. So we'll take zeros are. Now 1 minus 0, 1. Take the next digit, 3. 5 2s are 10. 2 will be written in hectoliter now. Because when we have taken 3, only then division is possible. 13 minus 10, 3. Take the next digit. Next is 5. 5 7s are 35. Put minus sign also. 0. Consider the next digit. If you want, you can put this arrow sign. Otherwise, it is not compulsory. Now, 5 1s are 5. Division is, after taking 5, it will become 5 1s are 5 and division will complete. So, what is the answer now? Look here. 0 kiloliter. No need to write down. 2 hectoliter. 7 decaliter and 1 liter. See, 2 hectoliter, 7 decaliter, 1 liter. This is our answer. Now our next question is question number 4 of exercise 1E. A box of chocolates weighs 3 gram. It's 343 gram. Box of the chocolate weighs 343 gram. Find the weight of half a dozen. Find the weight of half a dozen such boxes in kilogram. Now see, we have to find out the weight of half a dozen. Dozen contains 12 items. Half dozen, 6. We have to find out the weight of the 6 boxes, but condition is there in kilogram. Okay. As you all know that 1 dozen means 12 items. So you will write down half a dozen means 6 things or 6 items. First of all, you have to tell. Now you will apply the statement. Now write the statement: weight of 1 box of chocolate is equal to 343 gram and weight of 6 boxes of chocolate. 343 gram multiply by 6. 343 multiply by 6. 6 3s are 18. 1 carry, 6 4s are 24. Plus 1, 25. 5, 2 carry. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 2, 20. So it is equal to 2058 gram. But we have to find out the answer in kilogram. It is asked. So 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. And 2058 gram is equal to 2058 upon 1000 kilogram. Denominator is containing 3 zeros, 1s, 10s, 100. Here we will put decimal before 100. So it will become 2.058 kilogram. So weight in kilogram is equal to 2.058. Or you can write down weight of 6 boxes of chocolate. That is also correct. So do this all the things step by step. First of all, you will tell the meaning of half dozen, then statement, after that multiplication, and then conversion formula, and last you will write down the weight in kilogram. Got it? Now we will do worksheet question. Exercises are completed. Some questions I have given in homework, some in classwork, and few we will consider in summary lecture and assignment. Now worksheet question 2. Revise carefully and ask the problems in your query class. If you have any doubts, you can ask. The weight of Seema was 85 kilogram. She lost 10 pounds. Find her present weight. In kilogram. And it is given to us that 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 pounds. Okay, but this is given to us. So we will use this 1 kilogram 2.2 pounds. Then we will calculate that Seema ने कितना weight lose किया. 10 pounds she has lost. So we will convert it into kilogram first. And then we can find out that how much weight she has lost. Now this is very important part. Revise very, very carefully and listen to me. 2.2 pounds is equal to 1 kilogram. Okay. So 1 pound is equal to, we will shift 2.2. It will move to the right side. 1 upon 2.2 kilogram. Shifting we have done previously also. Now she has lost 10 pounds. So 10 pounds is equal to 10 upon 2.2 kilogram. See very, very carefully. Step by step we are doing. And now we will remove this decimal. When we are going to remove this decimal, it will become 22 upon 10. Upon 10 will move to numerator. So it will become 10 into 10 upon 22 kilogram. 10 multiplied 10 will become 100 upon 22 kilogram. This part is very important to understand. Now 100 divided by 22. Okay. 100 divided by 22. Right. 22 4s are 88. Minus 10 minus 2. 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 8, 1. Now denominator is left. Put decimal and consider 0. Now 22 5s are 110. 120 minus 110, 10. Again take one more 0. If you are getting remainder, at least calculate it up to 2 places of decimal. Okay, 22 4s are 88. Again 12 is left in the remainder. Now you can leave, because after decimal 2 digits, here also after decimal 2 digits, you can stop the process. 2 places of decimal तक आप calculate करेंगे, then you can leave. Okay. Now we have got 10 pounds means 4.54 kilogram. This much weight is lose by सीमा. लूज होता मतलब घटाना, लॉस्ट कर दिया, गुम कर दिया. दैट इज इतना वेट उसने कम कर लिया. नाउ वी विल डू स्टेटमेंट. वेट ऑफ सीमा, as capital because it is name, 85 kilogram. Weight lost by her 4.54. So put it 00 yourself. 4.54 kilogram. Weight left. Now 0 minus 4 not possible, it will become 10 by taking borrow. 5 will become 4, it will become 10, 10 will give again here 1, 0 will become 10, here it will left 9. 10 minus 4 6, 9 minus 5 4, decimal 4 minus 4 0, 8 minus 0 8. So this is a weight which is left. So at last write down present weight of Seema. You can write down the same statement here also. 80.46 kilogram. This is a weight left. So have you understood how to move in this question step by step? Right? Okay. Now it's time to take homework. Your homework is solve question 1 G part, question 2 G part, question 3 of exercise 1E in notebook. Now we will do homework discussion of lecture 5. So take out your practice notebooks and you have to match your answers. Question number 7, 8 and 9 were given of exercise 1D. Question number 7 was subtract 92.101 kilogram minus 74.923 kilogram. You all know subtraction, simple subtraction. 1 minus 3 not possible. 1 will become 11. 0 will become first 10. Then it will become 9. This has given this. 1 has given carry. It will become 0. And 2 will give carry to it. It will become 10. 2 will become 1. Now 11 minus 3. 8. 9 minus 2. 7. 10 minus 9. 1. 1 minus 4 not possible. So 9 will become 8 and 1 will become 11. 11 minus 4 7. 8 minus 7 1. I hope you all got correct answer. Yes. Next is question number 8. Add 19.043 liter, 14.109 liter and 2.001 liter. 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. 4 plus 0 plus 0, 4 plus 1, 5. 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0, 1. 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 2, 15, 5. 1 carry, 1 plus 2 plus 1, 3. So this is your answer. Question number 9 was subtract and simple subtraction without decimal. 21,007 kiloliter minus 8,100 kiloliter. Right. Now do this subtraction. 7 minus 0, 7. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 1, not possible. So 0 will become 10 and 1 will become 0. 10 minus 1, 9. 0 minus 8, not possible. 2 will become 1 and 1 will become 10. 10 minus 8, 2. 1 minus 0, 1. So this is your answer. Simple. Have you got the correct answers? If yes, very good. If no, you will do corrections. That's all for today. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.